Can you still bring a lawsuit if the owner of the dog is judgment-proof? Hi, I'm Frank Nunes. I'm a California personal injury attorney practicing in the state of California. And the answer to that question is oftentimes you can. Most of the time the dog owner either doesn't have enough coverage or has no coverage or assets at all. This is what we refer to as a judgment-proof person. Sure, you can get a judgment against them, but you're never going to collect. In some situations, such as a dog that's on a rental property, you can make a claim against the landlord's rental policy if the landlord knew or should have known that this dog was vicious and that it was in fact on the property. A lot of times you look at the amount of control the landlord exercised over the rental property. If it's one of these places like in a rural area where the landlord is constantly driving by, sees this dog out there, it's very hard for the landlord to deny that the dog is not there when he finds out that it bit somebody. What you want to get down to is whether the landlord had some knowledge of the dog's dangerousness. That is key, and a lot of times we look for prior dog bite cases on the same property. That's it for today's video on whether you can still recover from a judgment-proof dog owner. By the way, if you found this information useful, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Why? So you can continue to get great new educational videos every time we post a new one to our channel. And if you have questions, I want you to pick up the phone and call me. Since I can answer these questions, I answer questions like this all the time. You can reach me at 559-436-0850. I'm Frank Nunes, and thanks for watching.